Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm gonna blow your mind with 10 surprising foods you didn't know are vegan. You might be thinking vegan food is all about salads and tofu, but that's not the case at all. Trust me, you'll be shocked by some of these. Number 1, Oreos. Yes, you heard that right. Yep, the classic black and white cookies are totally vegan. No dairy, no eggs, just pure delicious indulgence. You can dunk them in your favorite plant-based milk and enjoy without any worries. Next up, Doritos Spicy Sweet Chili flavor. This one might surprise you. It's the only flavor in the lineup that's vegan-friendly. So, if you're craving that spicy sweet crunch, this is your go-to. So grab a bag and crunch away without any guilt. Perfect for movie nights or just a quick snack. Third on the list, Ritz crackers. These are a staple in many households. Who would have thought these buttery-tasting snacks are free from any animal products? They're great on their own or paired with your favorite vegan cheese, perfect for a quick bite or a party platter. Number 4, Pop-Tarts Unfrosted Brown Sugar Cinnamon. That's right, a childhood favorite. As long as you stick to the unfrosted version, you're in the clear. They make for a quick and easy breakfast or snack. Fifth, Jell-O Instant Pudding Mix. This one is a bit of a hidden gem. Specifically, the vanilla and chocolate flavors. They're creamy and delicious. Just use your favorite plant-based milk and you're good to go. Sixth, Sour Patch Kids. These are a hit with kids and adults alike. These tangy sweet candies are gelatin-free. No animal-derived ingredients here. So you can enjoy them without any animal-derived ingredients. Perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. Seventh, Fritos Original Corn Chips. A classic snack. Simple ingredients here. Corn oil, and salt. A crunchy vegan delight. Great for dipping or just munching on their own. Number 8, Thomas's New York-style bagels. Bagels are a breakfast favorite. Surprisingly, their plain everything and cinnamon raisin bagels are all vegan. Perfect for breakfast with some vegan cream cheese or avocado. Believe it or not, these fluffy rolls are made without any dairy. They're a holiday favorite. They bake up golden and are perfect for any meal. Serve them with dinner or use them to make vegan pigs in a blanket. And finally, 10th, Backo's Bacon Flavor Bits. A savory surprise. They taste like bacon but are made out of soy. Perfect for adding a smoky flavor to your dishes. Sprinkle them on salads or baked potatoes for a savory kick. They add a great crunch and flavor. So there you have it. 10 surprising foods you didn't know are vegan. Next time you're shopping, keep an eye out for these tasty treats. You might be surprised at what you find. These options make it easier than ever to enjoy a vegan lifestyle without sacrificing taste. Like and subscribe for more vegan tips and hit that bell icon. Catch you later. Thanks for watching and happy snacking.